I swear, if this machine is out again, I'm suing the universe. Okay, no, I'll call you later. Sour punch, sour punch, sour punch. Where's the sour punch?
How to Master the Art of the Stakeout, Chapter 2. Never let your mind wander. Boredom is the enemy. A true professional can sit for 6 hours.
Hey, you! Where's the sour punch?
Not again, I just filled it. It's always the sour punch.
Whoa, okay, it was only until I could afford my own place. Then they stacked sour punch. What else was I supposed to do? They're so good.
Sour Punch! Embrace your punch!